I have a older Subaru here. I think this one's a 2012. And this is kind of a nasty fucking one. This is all smashed down here, but it's also all rotted out. Somebody replaced all this before. They did not do a pretty job. So I have a new radiator support. I'm gonna make a quick pull just to roughly pull this back to where it's supposed to be. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this one apart. Hopefully I don't find too much rust hidden beyond what I'm replacing. We will find out. This thing is about to crumble in half. Look at this. Now I have these two bottom plates that go underneath here, one underneath there, as well as these front plates. I'm still waiting for this side of these to come in. It's supposed to be here today, but I'm gonna go ahead and get these parts cut off and I will start fitting this puzzle together. So I have this radiator support roughly sitting in place right here, and I'm taking some quick measurements. I'm checking the length right now, and that is perfect. Now I'm gonna exit out, and that'll make sure it's square. Perfect. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and I'm gonna lift this radiator support back out, and I'm gonna get these bottom 4 brackets welded on first. It has some welds on it that I won't be able to get to on those bottom pieces with this radiator support in, so I'll get those welded, and then I'll put this back in. I'll check it one more time, and then I will go ahead and get this welded in. So I just about have this one all wrapped up. It's getting a new fender blended in the door and a new bumper cover that gets painted. So I'm gonna send this one on over to our paint department.